Celebrating Toli Ekadashi, a sacred festival of spiritual renewal and devotion. Toli Ekadashi, also known as Toli Ekadashi, Shayani Ekadashi, Ashadhi Ekadashi, or Devshani Ekadashi, is a significant Hindu festival that holds deep spiritual meaning for devotees. This auspicious day, falling on Wednesday, 17th July 2024, marks the beginning of the Ekadashi fasting tradition and is considered an ideal time for new beginnings and spiritual growth. As the first of the 24 Ekadashis in a year, Toli Ekadashi symbolizes a period of introspection, devotion, and personal transformation, drawing countless followers to observe fasts and partake in special rituals to honor Lord Vishnu. The origins and significance of Toli Ekadashi. Ancient legends and mythological roots. The origins of Toli Ekadashi can be traced back to ancient Hindu mythology, with several legends associated with its observance. One of the most prominent stories revolves around King Mandhata of the Suryavansh dynasty, known for his truthfulness and virtuous deeds. According to the legend, King Mandhata's kingdom faced a severe drought and famine. Despite performing numerous havans and pujas, the situation remained dire. Sage Angirsa advised the king to observe the Toli Ekadashi Vrat, fasting. Following the sage's counsel, King Mandhata fasted to honor Lord Vishnu. The fast ultimately brought relief and prosperity to the drought-stricken kingdom. This legend underscores the power of devotion and fasting, highlighting how spiritual practices can bring about positive changes in one's life and surroundings. Spiritual significance and divine connection. Toli Ekadashi holds immense spiritual significance for devotees of Lord Vishnu. On this day, it is believed that Lord Vishnu enters a state of Yog Nidra, deep meditation. He rests on Adisheshu, the divine serpent symbolizing Kundalini energy. This period is ideal for introspection and spiritual growth. The alignment of natural energies makes it a potent time for inner transformation. The spiritual significance of Toli Ekadashi extends beyond mythology, offering devotees a unique opportunity to connect with the divine and harness powerful energies for personal growth and renewal. Astrological and seasonal importance. From an astrological perspective, Toli Ekadashi marks a significant transition in the Hindu calendar. It falls on the 11th day, Ekadashi, of the bright half of the lunar month of Ashadha. This period coincides with the beginning of Chaturmas, the 4-month period of the rainy season. Astrologically, it's considered an auspicious time for spiritual practices and new beginnings. The seasonal importance of Toli Ekadashi is closely tied to agricultural cycles and natural rhythms, reflecting the deep connection between Hindu traditions and the natural world. Observances and rituals of Toli Ekadashi. Fasting traditions and practices. Fasting on Toli Ekadashi is a central aspect of its observance, serving as a powerful spiritual discipline that fosters self-control and purity. The fasting practices associated with Toli Ekadashi include complete abstinence from food and water, Nirjala fast. Partial fasting, allowing certain foods like fruits and milk. Abstaining from grains, beans, and certain vegetables. Devotees who undertake the fast typically follow these guidelines. Begin the fast on the evening before Ekadashi. Maintain the fast throughout the day of Ekadashi. Break the fast on the morning of Dwadashi, the following day. The spiritual benefits of fasting on Toli Ekadashi are believed to be numerous. Cleansing of body and mind. Increased focus and concentration. Enhanced spiritual awareness. Accumulation of positive karma. Puja rituals and offerings. The observance of Toli Ekadashi involves elaborate puja rituals and offerings to Lord Vishnu. These rituals typically include bathing and adorning the deity, offering flowers, fruits, and sweets, recitation of sacred mantras and hymns, performing arti, ritual of lights. The Satyanarayan Puja, a special ritual dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is often performed on this day. This puja involves setting up a sacred altar, offering Panchamrita, mixture of 5 sacred ingredients, narrating the story of Lord Vishnu, distributing prasad, blessed food, to devotees. These rituals serve to deepen the devotee's connection with the divine and invoke blessings for prosperity and spiritual growth. Meditation and spiritual practices. Toli Ekadashi is considered an ideal time for meditation and other spiritual practices. Devotees often engage in extended meditation sessions, chanting of mantras, particularly the Vishnu Sahasranama, study of sacred texts like the Bhagavad Gita, self-reflection and introspection. These practices are believed to be particularly potent on Toli Ekadashi due to the alignment of spiritual energies, offering devotees a unique opportunity for inner growth and transformation. The role of Toli Ekadashi in Hindu culture. Cultural celebrations and festivities. Toli Ekadashi is not just a day of fasting and prayer, it's also a time of joyous celebration in many parts of India. The cultural celebrations associated with this festival include temple festivals and processions, community gatherings and feasts after the fast, cultural programs featuring devotional music and dance, special decorations in homes and public spaces. These celebrations serve to strengthen community bonds, pass down traditions to younger generations, create a festive atmosphere of devotion and joy. Influence on art and literature. The spiritual themes associated with Toli Ekadashi have inspired countless works of art and literature throughout Indian history. Devotional poetry praising Lord Vishnu, paintings and sculptures depicting the deity in Yog Nidra, folk songs and stories narrating the legends associated with the festival, contemporary adaptations in film and popular culture. This artistic legacy serves to preserve and propagate the spiritual significance of Toli Ekadashi, provide devotees with visual and literary means of connecting with the divine, contribute to the rich tapestry of Hindu cultural expression. Spiritual and philosophical aspects of Toli Ekadashi. Concept of Yog Nidra and divine consciousness. The state of Yog Nidra that Lord Vishnu enters on Toli Ekadashi holds deep philosophical significance. Yog Nidra as a state of conscious sleep represents the balance between consciousness and unconsciousness, symbolize the potential for awakening and transformation. Divine consciousness and creation. Yog Nidra is seen as the state from which creation emerges, reflects the cyclical nature of the universe in Hindu philosophy. Personal spiritual growth. Encourages devotees to cultivate awareness even in states of rest. Teaches the importance of introspection and inner stillness. The concept of Yog Nidra in Toli Ekadashi observances offers devotees a profound metaphor for their own spiritual journey, encouraging them to seek a state of higher consciousness and self-realization. Kundalini energy and spiritual transformation. The symbolism of Lord Vishnu resting on Adisheshu, the divine serpent, is closely tied to the concept of Kundalini energy. Kundalini represents the dormant spiritual energy at the base of the spine. Toli Ekadashi is seen as a time when this energy is particularly potent. Spiritual practices during this period are believed to activate and channel Kundalini. Devotees often focus on practices that aim to awaken and harness this energy. Specific yoga asanas and pranayam techniques. Meditation focused on the chakras, energy centers. Chanting of bija mantras associated with Kundalini awakening. The emphasis on Kundalini energy during Toli Ekadashi reflects the festival's role as a catalyst for spiritual transformation and higher consciousness. Karma, dharma, and spiritual liberation. Toli Ekadashi observances are deeply intertwined with the Hindu concepts of karma, dharma, and moksha, spiritual liberation. Karma. Fasting and rituals are seen as means of accumulating positive karma. The day is considered auspicious for balancing past karmic debts. Dharma. Observing Toli Ekadashi is viewed as fulfilling one's spiritual duty. The festival reinforces the importance of living in accordance with cosmic law. Moksha. Ultimate goal of spiritual practices associated with Toli Ekadashi. Devotees seek to transcend the cycle of birth and death through devotion and self-realization. These philosophical aspects of Toli Ekadashi provide a framework for devotees to understand their place in the cosmos and work towards spiritual evolution. Health and wellness benefits of Toli Ekadashi practices. Physical benefits of fasting. The fasting practices associated with Toli Ekadashi offer several potential health benefits. Digestive system rest. Allows the digestive organs to rest and rejuvenate. May improve overall digestive function. Detoxification. Fasting can help eliminate toxins from the body. Supports the body's natural cleansing processes. Weight management. Periodic fasting may contribute to healthy weight maintenance. Can help reset eating patterns and promote mindful eating. Improved insulin sensitivity. Some studies suggest fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity. May have positive effects on blood sugar regulation. It's important to note that the health benefits of fasting can vary depending on individual health conditions and fasting methods. Consulting with a healthcare professional before undertaking any fasting regimen is advisable. Mental and emotional well-being. The spiritual practices associated with Toli Ekadashi can have positive effects on mental and emotional health. Stress reduction. Meditation and prayer can lower stress levels. Focused spiritual practices may promote relaxation and calmness. Improved concentration. Fasting and meditation can enhance mental clarity and focus. May lead to improved cognitive function. Emotional balance. Spiritual reflection can foster emotional stability. Practices like gratitude and devotion may boost positive emotions. Sense of purpose. Engaging in meaningful spiritual practices can provide a sense of purpose. May contribute to overall life satisfaction and well-being. These mental and emotional benefits highlight the holistic nature of Toli Ekadashi observances, addressing both spiritual and psychological aspects of well-being. Holistic approach to health. Toli Ekadashi embodies a holistic approach to health that integrates physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Mind-body connection. Recognizes the interplay between physical practices, like fasting, and mental states. Encourages awareness of the connection between spiritual and physical health. Balanced lifestyle. Promotes periodic fasting and mindful eating. Encourages regular spiritual practices for overall well-being. Community and social health. Group observances foster social connections and support. Shared spiritual experiences can contribute to community well-being. Environmental awareness. Many Toli Ekadashi practices promote harmony with nature. Encourages mindfulness of one's impact on the environment. This holistic approach reflects the broader Hindu understanding of health as a state of balance and harmony between body, mind, spirit, and environment. Modern relevance and global observance of Toli Ekadashi. Adapting ancient traditions to contemporary life. In today's fast-paced world, the observance of Toli Ekadashi has evolved to accommodate modern lifestyles while maintaining its spiritual essence. Flexible fasting options. Partial fasts for those unable to observe full fasts. Time-restricted eating patterns aligned with Ekadashi principles. Digital devotion. Online pujas and virtual temple visits. Mobile apps for tracking Ekadashi dates and fasting times. Workplace accommodations. Many companies now recognize and support employees observing Ekadashi. Flexible work arrangements to accommodate fasting and prayer times. Contemporary interpretations. Modern spiritual leaders offer new perspectives on Ekadashi observances. Integration of scientific understanding with traditional practices. These adaptations help ensure that the spiritual traditions of Toli Ekadashi remain relevant and accessible in contemporary society. Global reach and diaspora observances. As Hindu communities have spread across the globe, Toli Ekadashi observances have taken on an international dimension. Diaspora communities maintaining traditions in foreign lands. Cross-cultural exchange introducing Ekadashi concepts to non-Hindu populations. International Hindu organizations promoting global observance. Global observances of Toli Ekadashi often involve community gatherings in temples and cultural centers, virtual congregations connecting devotees across continents, adaptation of rituals to local contexts and resources, educational initiatives to pass traditions to younger generations born abroad. This global reach demonstrates the enduring appeal of Toli Ekadashi's spiritual principles across diverse cultural contexts. Conclusion: Toli Ekadashi stands as a testament to the enduring power of spiritual traditions in the modern world. This sacred observance, with its rich tapestry of rituals, philosophical depth, and cultural significance, continues to offer devotees a profound opportunity for spiritual renewal and personal transformation. As we navigate the complexities of contemporary life, the timeless wisdom embodied in Toli Ekadashi, emphasizing self-discipline, devotion, and the pursuit of higher consciousness, remains as relevant as ever. Whether observed in traditional settings or adapted to modern contexts, Toli Ekadashi serves as a beacon of spiritual light, guiding individuals on their journey towards self-realization and harmony with the divine. As this ancient tradition meets the challenges and opportunities of the global age, it continues to evolve, touching lives across cultures and continents, while remaining true to its core spiritual essence.